I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota Sienna van, 3.3 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a universal oil pan drain plug, 3/8 ratchet, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. An oil filter, 5 quarts 530 conventional engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. First, we're going to be removing the oil filler cap. I'm going to be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. First, we're going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. The washer is stuck onto the oil pan. Just leave it and reuse it. Nothing wrong with reusing the oil washer. Over here is supposed to have a plastic shield, but it's missing. So I can get access to the oil filter from the bottom. If the plastic shield is on, you can either remove it and get the filter from the bottom, or you can go to the top. So since the plastic shield is gone, we're going to be removing the filter from the bottom. So I'm going to be using a cup type oil filter wrench and just unscrew it. Okay, so I'm gonna be screwing on my new filter. So you gotta check the block side, make sure there's no rubber seal onto the block. If there is, just remove it. So on this one, there's no seal. So I'm gonna be wiping down the block side, and I'm gonna be putting some oil on top of my new oil filter seal. So then that way when you tighten it up, it just slides on. So I'm going to be putting some oil onto my seal. Now I'm going to be screwing it on. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing the funnel and pulling on my oil filler cap. Okay, so I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. And I'm going to run it for a little while. Okay, that's good enough, so you can shut it off. So now we're going to be checking the oil level. So it's going to be in the front of the engine towards the passenger side. So we're pulling out the stick, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, and then we're going to check the level. Oh, right up to the full. Perfect. So that's how you change the engine oil and the oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.